Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz. Y'all, I am watching this one for myself because I have no idea how I pulled this off. This was a one-off soap. It was one of those where I had the creative urge to go in and make a soap. And of course, I turned the camera on and we filmed it, and we also were live. So you guys got a chance to watch it. Those of you that are active followers. So thank you for always coming on with me on the live. But again, it was just that time to try something new. And I had ordered this kit. As you can see, it just fits right into the mold that we use. And I was doing a 4-color. I actually had gotten these 2 colors, the green and the peach, which actually is called cantaloupe for the orange there. And the peach one is called cantaloupe, not peach. The green was called Hello Spring, even though it's the end of summer. So I got the 2 of them as a sample while the Cucumber Melon fragrance had been dancing in my head. And I thought, oh, that'd be perfect. I really wanted to do this on the Tall and Skinny. Y'all have been through that saga with me. And so I decided to just do it with this. A couple of things I didn't plan for is having to pull the pieces out and that they will be covered with soap. Luckily, I have a, kind of okay workspace, but yeah, it was massive cleanup after this. And I think this is called the Taiwan Swirl. It's just a quick back and forth motion, but this is going to require a unique cut. So I'm going to have to do something different. I have it in my mind, and my mind has been playing over and over. And Lord knows I've watched enough videos. I've gone down all the wormholes. I did that part right there too big, but I decided to come to that end of the camera so you guys could actually see it unfolding without having to look over and beyond my hand there. But like I said, I'm watching for myself to see how I did this, because if it comes out great, I've got to do what? We got to do it again. Hey, listen, thank you all so much for a great week. Lots of videos, but stay tuned.